Hey everybody, it's Richard RMAutodiag, and what we've got here is from the Vpecker review. Everyone's been asking about a lot of different cars. The Vpecker review does have about 10 different vehicles on there. So what I've done is I'm splitting it up into 10 different videos, and I'll put them all out, one for each vehicle, so you can watch each vehicle separately. If you want to check out the review, I'll put a card above, and you can see the full review, which obviously goes through the software and everything else about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and here's the review.
Okay, number 10, the last one. We're going to look at a Peugeot 207, and it's petrol. See if we'll do the read the VIN. No, not by the looks of it. Manually select car 207. We'll go for van. And again, I don't know what the exact thing is in this. It's a KFU engine. KFU, there we go. So we have got some tests here, usual stuff. Let's just check on the live datas. And yeah, we've got battery voltage there, it reads somewhere near right, so I'm happy with the data on that. Active tests. High speed fan, let's see if we can get that to work. Yes, so the high speed fan is on. Let's come out of that. And what else can we have a quick look at? BSI. So we've just got trouble codes on the BSI. Nothing interesting in there. That's a bit not too good. What else have we got? Engine relay unit. Okay, so we've got a few things in here. Trouble codes, data list. See if any of these say anything. Oil measured 136%. Oil temperature is up as well. Activate tests. Supplies, doesn't seem to be much there. Compressor control. None of them seem to work. So have we got anything else? Let's go for airbag, that's the last one. Again, trouble codes